Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Crazy to say that. We're already in February. Hopefully, we're all pushing and grinding towards our goals that we set in January 1st. So, hopefully, we're all moving in the right direction here. If not, you still have time to correct yourself and start moving in the right direction. What's up, Brett? What's up, Biggie? What's up, everybody? Hopefully, we're all having a solid day today so far since it's just getting started. And your boy is ready to trade. I did not sleep well last night. I was up like at 5 this morning. I'm like, why am I awake right now? But I try getting some sleep after that, but we'll see how I'm feeling with the market conditions. We do have news today, 10 o'clock, Jolt's job opening. So let's keep that in mind. Let me look at the market as well, see where we're sitting, everything like that. So right now we're currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA. And then the close from yesterday was 25,873.25, 25,873.25. So mark your charts, boys and ladies, so you know where those spots are, so we can be dialed in. I took a payout last night from Tradeify. So I just received the payment this morning, so we'll take it. Just $1,500 I took last night, so I can reset the account, because it's a growth account, so I had to take the payouts so the days could start over. So I took the payout so I could start the 5 days over here. So next Monday I'll be able to take a payout on that account again, and we're just going to keep moving. So payout on this past Friday, yesterday, and I'm pushing for a payout on 4 more accounts for this Friday. I'm trying to do a $10,000 week this week. That's my goal. My goal this week is 10 grand in payouts, because I have to do 10 grand every week in payouts to hit my 500K for the year. So that's what I'm shooting for. Let's see if we get it. Good morning, Will. Hopefully you guys are having a solid Tuesday so far. Taco Tuesday. The stream will be ending today right around 11, because I gotta get out of here. I gotta drive down to South Florida and meet up with Mitch. For everyone that knows, he's one of the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. So I'm gonna drive down, meet up with him. And it's gonna be a good old time. We're gonna grab lunch. After I meet up with him, I gotta keep going south, because I'm getting custom credit cards made that say Legacy Wealth Society on it, and it's all gold, and it's my credit card for my bank. So it's gonna be cool. Excited to show you guys that tonight on the Traders Hangout. Right now, it looks like it's trying to do a little bull bear flag, but I'll be waiting until 9:45 executing trades, slow and steady, because we're trying to make some monies. Good morning, bro. Ever since you sent me that burrito, that's all I've been thinking about, bro. Like, I appreciate you sending it to me, but now I'm a fat boy, so you can't send me something so glorious. Like, I've literally been thinking about that. I showed my girl, listen, this is what we're getting. I don't care what you say, this is what we're getting. Excited to try it in less than 2 weeks. Well, 2 weeks about. For everyone that's jumping in here, we have news at 10 o'clock, Jolt's job openings. So keep that in mind, set a timer so that way you're not in a trade at 9:58. 9:58, do not be in a trade, since we have news at 10. Smooth, what's up, bro? Good morning, everybody. We're going to try, bro, from your lips to God's ears, fam. I'm all for making some smonnies a day. I need to make $8,500 this week in payouts. I've already taken $1,500 in payouts that already out, So now I gotta do 8,500. I want to see what we actually get today, because we definitely came up from yesterday. Just looking at everything. That's why we gotta stick together, man. Fat boys gotta stick together. You know what I'm saying? Like, because we always find the best food, the craziest mixes of food as well that just work. Like, I'm just saying. I appreciate y'all. What's up, Dylan? Good morning, sir. All right, there's that flag trying to start to push on down. Even got that big old wick on the 5-minute as well. So I think it will probably come down, tap that close from yesterday, the 873.25, and then see what happens from there, to be honest. But we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna wait and see. I got 20 minutes. 20 minutes, and then I'll be able to officially trade. And your boy is excited. I do need to charge this before I jump on the road. I have an extra cord up here. Morning, G. Oh, well, I would just observe, bro. Because if you're not doing like one of the paid plans in the community, it's better for you just to watch on YouTube to learn that way. So you can understand what I'm actually doing. But on my lowest plan in the community, you do get my full strategy with the full tutorial on it as well. Just so you know. Man, did everyone sleep good last night? Last night, I woke up like at 5 a.m. wide awake. And I'm like, what is going on? It took me, I probably from 5 a.m. I tossed and turned to like 7 after. So I was like, do I even trade today? I'm gonna see what type of moves we get. And if they're solid, I'm gonna take them. But yeah, last night I did not sleep well. And I have no clue why I did not sleep well. That's a weird thing. Good morning, Mr. Mooser. It's going pretty good. I love when you come on because you're still like waking up yourself. Yeah. And you're just like, good morning. And then as the stream goes on, you start waking up. So you're like, hey, the retracement.
That's what I'm waiting for right now. I see it coming down. My 15's coming down, but maybe it goes up. Trace, jump in.
Well, we're currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA, above the close from yesterday, which was 873.25. So I feel like we're probably going to close that gap and then see what the market does from there. We do have news at 10 o'clock today for a JOLTS job opening, so keep that in mind, everybody. And we're already dipping. The market hasn't opened yet. That's kind of a precursor right there, letting us know.
I'm feeling this wick right here. 923. Gonna get touched.
The low, the 923.50.
Yeah, 923.75. Yeah, the 50, 75.
Same area, same area. We're close enough.
Gonna get touched.
All right, Moose is saying we're gonna get touched. No Diddy.
No Diddy.
I gotta drive down to South Florida today, but it's well worth it. I'm going down there to visit Mitch, one of the members of the community, and then I'm continuing down to pretty much Fort Lauderdale to get custom card made. Market's open, boys. Ding, 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 ding.
Jesus Christ. Retrace, hurry up. I knew it. I was on at 8:55.
Okay. Well, we'll probably get down there. Honestly, I want to see us tapped at 873, since that was the close from yesterday.
Yeah, I think we will.
So that's the first one I want to see us tap, and then we figure out where we're going from there. But look at those buyers trying to step in hard right there. They're trying to protect it. Ooh, look at that flip. Bulls telling those bears, not today. The way they try to step in, who's going to win?
Holy smokes.
The battle is real. What was that?
I have an EMA at 890. That would be my next area of touch and go down.
Okay. I mean, I don't care if we go up or down. My strategy works for either direction. So I never care what direction we go in.
Oh, my stomach. Up. Come on, give me another vacation. Just punk out on this one.
BP, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Good morning, by the way, as well.
D-Rock.
Yes, sir. Latigre Bomefius.
I'm not staying on because this thing's not working. Is there like a way to escalate the ticket? Because I feel like they're going downhill, man.
Okay, with the ticket you submitted, did you only talk to the AI?
No, it said it set up a support ticket and waiting for a team member.
Okay.
Yesterday morning.
Okay, I would recommend, there's two ways. Put another ticket in, since they haven't even done your first ticket.
Yes.
And I will reach out to the CEO because I have access.
Okay, I appreciate that.
So I'll shoot him a message saying one of my members are having issues with support.
Yeah, I'll DM you the ticket number I have, and I'll print another ticket. All right.
Okay. Yeah, send me both of them, because when I message him, I'll send him exactly both tickets, so that way he could send it to his people.
Okay, thank you very much, man.
No, I got you, man. I understand not staying on. Trust me. So,
right.
Yes, sir. Almost at that close from yesterday. I told you. We gonna come down and close that gap. And then we'll figure out what direction we want to move in. All right, there's the close from yesterday. There we go. Made new lows as well. Oh, man. I'm ready to trade, but I'm not cleared yet. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Wait for me to jump in, please. I took another payout last night for all the new people jumping in here. Took another payout from Tradify, so I need $8,500 more for this week in payouts to hit my 10K mark, because I'm trying to do that weekly to hit the 500K for the year. So I need $8,500 more dollars.
Hit my EMA 835.
And this thing's coming on down. Interesting. And like, this is one of those things where like, listen, it's taking everything in me not to click the button because this momentum is, for the most part right now, somewhat clean. But I'm respecting my rules. Good morning, Silk. Mr. Silk on this call today. So far, so good, man. So far, so good. Ready to come down and see you in a little bit after the stream.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Sir, I hope you're excited, man. I hope you're excited.
I just got cleared to drive my grandmother's car because she don't like when nobody's driving her car. So, with my driving history.
Oh, well, you got bad driving history?
I wouldn't say it's a bad driving history. I would just say that I hang out with a lot of fast drivers because I'm in the car industry.
Yeah.
So I kind of have like
lots of tickets.
Speeding tickets.
Yeah. Yeah, grandma don't like lots of speeding tickets.
Nah.
So how did the speeding tickets come about if you're the one just hanging out with them?
Yeah, you be hanging on the road with high rates of speed.
Oh, when you're about to get pulled over, they're like, hey, jump on. And you're like, I got you.
Most of them tend to pull me over highway driving, you know, nothing too crazy. About four suspensions.
Oh, you mean car suspensions? Got it.
Yeah.
BP, no. Let me check on that. Horizontal. Don't know what that is. Let me mute that. Okay, let me know if that's better, guys, on the YouTube streams. I think I corrected it, but I need y'all to let me know. So we're trying to build another. Well, they were trying to do another bear flag, and I'm okay if it doesn't really play out right now because I'm 9 minutes out from being able to be cleared to trade here. So I want to jump in. I want to make some monies. Okay, I think I got it then, BP. It's on OBS. Like sometimes there's like an extra tab I gotta mute. So that way there isn't as much of an echo on the Zoom voices. So hopefully that fixed it. Yo, this market right now is making me want FOMO so bad right now. Like seeing that momentum is like craziness. What? Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. You called it? I wouldn't say I called it, but the strategy always repeats itself. So it's bullish. Okay, Dre, what's up, bro? How's ATL treating you, bro? Still coming on down. Oh man, this is painful. Like right now, this melt right now is painful for me to watch because I want to be in it. I want to be taking this right now. This is the one thing that my rule, I'm not trading the first 15-minute range sucks on, because like when you see clean momentum for the way I trade, it's like that's all I see is money getting wasted. I don't like money getting wasted. I don't know about y'all. I hate when money's wasted. I'm gonna do something that I should not do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh, that's painful. So that move for me would have been $2,100. That's painful. Dre, let's link. Next week I should be good, and then the week after. Well, next week I'm good up until like the weekend because I go to Mexico on that Sunday. Smooth, you're right. You're right. I could have been negative $2,100. You're right. You ain't lying. So I didn't lose any money. Appreciate the chat helping me stay like positive. We'll take that. True, I know. Normally any big moves before market opens a precursor. Will, it's me personally. So you could trade. Prop firms don't care. You could trade whenever. But for me, I always wait the first 15 minutes of the opening for the opening range. Did I get your chat? Where did you, in the community? Because I got 5 more minutes, so I'll gladly look away real quick. Dre, I don't got anything in the community on the community side. And just added Kip, so welcome to the community as well, Kips. If you're still in here. You did request 9 hours ago, so I doubt you're currently on the stream, but just saying. Oh, okay. Yeah, when I get back, let's link. I'm supposed to be in San Antonio. Let me pull my calendar here. So Mexico, not this coming Sunday, the following Sunday I'm in Mexico. Then I'll be in San Antonio on the 20th. Three more minutes, I'm officially cleared. Your boy's been itching. I'm ready to trade. We do have news at 10 o'clock, people, so make sure you set a timer for 9:58, so you're not trading right at 10, so you don't get messed up with whatever news does come out for the Jolt's job opening. Come on, Betsy. Let me get my lines ready because only a couple more minutes and I'm cleared. And while I'm waiting to get cleared, let me give you the high of this 15-minute range so you can mark your chart. The high of the 15-minute range is 952.25, 952.25. Okay, perfect. I'll be in Mexico, but when I get back, we'll definitely connect. And look at this drop right now. Jesus. Yo, this is so aggy. That's like, I'm not going to talk about how much money that is.
I did a mock trade on that. Yeah, a lot.
Hamid, good job, bro. Good job.
I wasn't actually in the trade. I was just watching it, like with my TP and stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't. Yeah, and I was like, dang.
I'm hoping we still have this movement after 9:45.
We better.
How many fund accounts did it take you to get your first payout? 2 funded. I literally got in a payouts move my first payout was January 25. It was for $1,500. Okay, nice, Dre. All right, let's see if we start building a flaggy flag, because that would be very good for me. I do not want a retracement because Moose likes retracements, but I just want a flag. Your boy wants a flaggy flag.
This drop is crazy. I don't even know if I'm gonna do it.
Bear's still trying to control this. I'm officially cleared to trade. I got 30 seconds for this range to be fully completed here. The low of this range is looking like it's going to be 723. 723 for the low of this range. The high of the range, I believe, was 952.25. I'm not looking at it right this second because I'm trying to see if we get a flag here so I can get in the markets and make some money. Base hitting, people. Base hitting.
Yeah, I wasn't going to do it.
Okay. Yeah, we're getting that structure on for this flag right now. Let's see if the Bears step in. Oh, Nelly, I'm excited. I'm excited, boys. Well, the higher tier gets you the most access to me. But if you're just trying to learn the strategy by itself, you can do that on the lower tier. But if you're trying to really fast track, the higher tier will be the best option. But you can learn it on the lower tier as well. Just may it take a little bit longer. All right, so we came up, we tapped my yellow line here. We tapped my top yellow line on the 5-minute chart. So not too happy about that. Because I put that there because I don't like when flags are being built. I don't like them going more than 50% of the pole candle. But let's see if the Bears step in. On this one, I'll be waiting now until we come down to the bottom yellow line there to execute, only because we did go more than 50%. So I want to see that the Bears really step in and push this price down.
Wait for it. I'm gonna see if it comes back down, because I don't think it'll go up. Because that the candle on the left, it's a huge, you have to fill in. For 15 minutes.
Nice, Dre. Oh, Mr. BP joined the chat. I was looking at the Zoom call. I saw your name pop in, sir. Good morning. Now I can officially trade. BP's on the Zoom call. So now I can trade. BP's going to make $10,000 today. I'm trying to do it this week. He's going to make it today, though. Full port. Oh, no pressure. You got this. You got this. Still waiting right now on the 2 minute. I need to see the bear step in pretty aggressively. Since the buyers did step in and push this price up slightly. If I'm looking for a short. I'm retired from trading New York. That's for the All-Stars. Like, nah, Dre, you could trade the New York session, bro. All right, cool. Let's see. The Bears want to try pushing it down, but these Bulls, man, they keep holding us up. BP, where we going, BP? Where you think we going?
I don't even know right now. I was just looking. We already took out London low and we took out Asia low.
Okay. Hopefully we get something.
Yeah, we really had a huge volatility spike to take out like the previous session.
Yeah. Well, I see a flag forming on the 2 minute here, but I want it to be more aggressive for my liking. Like that. That'd be the more aggressive I was looking for. Okay, let's see if we come down to my yellow line. Because if we do with follow through, I'm taking it. We did not go through my yellow line. Come on, Betsy. Dre, make that money, bro. Make that monies. Lots of people have been making money on gold and silver lately. Come on, give me the flush. Tapping my yellow line. We did not get the follow through there, so no trade yet. Let me pull my cursor off the sell button because we did not get follow through yet. And that's one of those things where that's why I put the lines on the chart to give me a visual spot to know to jump in or not to jump in. You got to put the line in the sand, boys. The doodles help. The doodles help. We're still in this morning's 15-minute range as well, so we've had 0 breakouts in either direction. It's like right there too. It's like once we clear these wicks. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Hamid, like, I don't disagree with you. I feel like sometimes my lines I put on the chart hold the market up where it doesn't want to go through it. Like if I remove the line right now, it'll just instantly drop. That's how I feel sometimes. All right, we just printed another small bear flag inside this larger bear flag. But we have not pushed through my yellow line yet. Tapping it, tapping it. Come on. Give me the full flush. I don't like that dance right there. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Yup.
You took it?
I closed it. 760 right there on that trade. First trade of the day. We'll definitely take that. We'll rotate. I closed at 1,000 though. I did close at 1,000, but I only got 760 because of slippage. But I ain't complaining. Mind you, we do have news coming out at 10 o'clock. News coming out at 10 o'clock. Keep that in mind, folks. Let's rotate to the next one. I'll probably hold personally until after 10 o'clock because we're right here. We did break out of this range. We have not retested the range yet either. Straight craziness, but the flags, boys, pay, y'all. I should have stayed in a little bit longer, but hey, I'm a firm believer. Lock in the profit. Go ahead, Iz. Go ahead, boy. Iz made 740 on that trade as well. Good job, bro. Legacy Wealth Society right there, folks. And this bad boy's still dropping. I'm tempted. We got a pivot point below us. 667, 667, 67. If you have kids, you already hate that one, so you're welcome. I want to jump in again, but we're so close to this news coming where I'm just going to wait. Like, I'm going to wait. Duane, you need to wait. But so we're going to that pivot. 66775 is going to get hit. I already know it's going to get hit. Nope. Just watch it get hit so it confirms you know what you're doing, Duane. I'm talking to myself, by the way, to keep me from staying safe. It is a thing as a trader. You do talk to yourself. There we go. There's that pivot. 667. Like I said. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes till news comes out. And I'm waiting till the news, to be honest. I'm waiting for the news. And honestly, we may keep on coming down. I don't know what's coming out or whatever, but someone knows something. That's why the market's coming down right now. And I don't care if we go up or down. We print money regardless. So.
Little scalp at the very end of it before it hit the pivot point.
And we're still falling. Jesus. All right, my first target from the 15-minute range is currently at 608.50. 608.50. We got news in less than 2 minutes now, less than 2 minutes. So I'm sitting on my hands because I do not want to be in a trade when the news comes out. Dios mío. I'm not Spanish, but man, look at that waterfall right there, boys. If I would say it a little bit longer, I'd try locking the $1,000. Only got $760. I'm not complaining about that because that's more than what people make in a day. But I was trying to hit my 1,000 on the trade, which I did, just the slippage. So, where if I would have stayed, that would have been at least a $2,000 trade, if not more. So, yeah. Let's wait to see what we get. Let's see if we build another bear flag. That would make me happy. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute for the news, boys. Less than a minute now for news. So we're patiently waiting for the news to drop. The market is dropping. Still dropping. Look at that.
This thing is melting.
Oh, I love it. I love it. That means we're printing. 608.25 is my target. 608.25 is my first target from the 15-minute range here. We got news, 10 seconds for news now. Clearly the news, the job openings, all that stuff is not good. That's why the market's coming on down. There's the news candle. Corey, I'm trading 2 contracts, bro. And there we go. The full flush. The full flush from my bear flag that I drew on the chart for y'all, by the way. Just saying. I'm just saying.
Well, thank you
All right.
for your hard work there, sir. Appreciate that.
I'm here for the team, boys. All right, so we're above my 608.50 level. I want to see us build another flag. News is officially done, so now we just wait for the next move. We got yesterday's low down there at 540. I need a flag. I want to jump in, but I want to see a flag. I don't just want to go short because I see the market coming down. I want to be disciplined and see some structure. Let me swap down to the 1 minute, see if I can see a baby flag. I need something. I need something here. So we keep making new lows. Are we going to finally start building a flag again? Your boy needs to see a flag. I need a flaggy flag. I want the bulls to push up just a little bit. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. I just want to see one green candle and then another red one. But we're melting. We're melting right now.
This is going. I think we're gonna fill in this whole gap. Well, not a gap, but you know what I mean. The golfing candles. 25,500, I would say.
Okay. Took a stab right there. Just lost on that one. Slightly aggy. Slightly aggy. I was in profit for a second and then it pulled right back. But this is going to be the flag right here. Let me rotate to the next one.
That news that came out ended up being like good news. I don't know if it's actually been affected enough.
I would honestly want to say it would have pushed it already. Because right now, as long as we stay up below this pivot point at the 667, I feel like we're going to keep coming down.
Maybe form another flag.
Possibly. That's why I'm waiting to see what we get right here. Because we want the flaggy flag. Jonah, it happens, man. We can't win them all. We can't win them all, bro. But just wait for your move. I feel like this is going to be another bear flag. Just, I want to get the full confirmation. We're all right. There we go. Let's push through my yellow line. I want to push through my yellow line with momentum. No, buyer's stepping in right where my line's at. Right where my line's at. So let me actually move this line down just slightly, just for extra confirmation. Come on, Betsy, go through my line. $370 on that trade, so officially $1,000 so far for the day. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away.
Oh my god. Ah.
So let's see. Let me switch over to what's the next account I'm gonna trade? That one. We got the low for yesterday, 540. So we're sitting real close to yesterday's low. Let's see, we build another small little bear flag right here. If we do, we're going to take it. Someone's in the community. Let's see what's going on. I want to see us stay below 608.50. 608.50. As long as we stay below there, then we're gonna be good. What's up, Stealth? Buyers are trying to step in here, so we have been waterfalling since the beginning of the session, so we're bound to have some type of a pullback eventually here. All right, we're now above that 608.50 level. Now right back below it. As long as the bears protect this 608.50, we'll continue down. If they don't protect it, then we may start trying to go back up here. But let's see what we get. What's up, DK? Let's see if the bears drop this lower. I feel like they're going to, but want to see them get to my yellow line. Here comes the yellow line once again. Tapping it. Want follow through so I could take another short. But I gotta see follow through. No follow through yet. Give me the follow through. Come on. Starting to consolidate a little bit. Not really liking that.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, I closed at 670. Only got 390. Not complaining, but what's up, weekend gamer? What's up, bro? Appreciate you tuning in.
I was looking 100. I got tagged out for 330, but I got filled for 260.
We're printing though. We're printing. It's lagging, right? Yeah. Let's see. Where's the next one? So just traded that one. We have not traded that one. We traded that one. We have not traded that one either. So. Oh yeah, I traded that one already. My bad, folks. I'm just looking to see what accounts I'm rotating to here. Have not traded this one, so we'll trade this one. I know these are Renko's weekend. These are Renko bars, not Hakanashi. Stealth, if you buy like a prop firm account with like Tradeify, Lucid, and you trade on Ninja Trader, you can get a free sim account with them as well, and you'll have the live data feed. Alana, Alan, I'm glad you like it, bro. Tonight we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to talk about trading. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. I gotta be completely transparent with y'all today, right? Something happened during the session that I was going to talk about tonight, but I'm gonna say it now. Right? Your boy blew a funded account today by accident. Not mad about it because I already had accounts waiting to get activated, so I activated another account. So I'm still capped at 5 funded accounts. but I blew an account today, boys. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. But I did get out. $2,000 out of that account before blowing it.
You rinsed it then.
You know.
So it's made itself. It's good then.
But
It made itself, so you're
but
good.
I couldn't sit here and not tell y'all. Like I felt like weird. You know what I'm saying? Like I felt weird. I'm like, I'm not being honest with them. I gotta tell them.
We appreciate your honesty and transparency.
You know what I'm saying? Your boy blew an account today, but it is what it is. I did pull out $2,000 from that account, so it paid for itself and then some. But the sad thing is now, well, it's not sad because I have other accounts like evals, but I am capped because I activated one of my evals that I already passed that was waiting for something to get blown. That's why I still have evals that I pay for monthly waiting. So that way if something, because I know a mistake can happen. Mistakes happen at trading. So I know myself, I'm gonna blow an account. So when I blow it, I have something else ready to activate as funded. So I always have 5 funded accounts, thankfully. Thankfully, I do it the way I do it. But yeah, so now I feel better. Thank you for listening to me be transparent with y'all today. But what sucks is, right? What really sucks, I blew the account, but then the full move happened. That was expected. So I FOMO'd into a trade. I even sized up too. That was my issue. I sized up. If I didn't size up, I would have been completely fine. But I sized up and the move happened a candle later. So I jumped too early. On one. Well, it is what it is. We live to fight another day. But I'm still up in all my other accounts over $1,300 for the day. So not complaining. Hamid, you have to, bro. You have to. They're your soldiers, bro. You have to have them on standby, ready to jump in.
Wait, what else standby?
No, you always want to have like past evals that aren't activated. They're just waiting. So if you do blow an account, you can activate and you still have, you never lost a funded account, if that makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
Brett, I would use the trade evates, but I don't recommend copy trading, because if I copy traded, I would have blown 5 accounts right there. That's why I rotate. It's all about limiting your risk in the markets. And when you copy trade, you're risking 5 accounts every trade. I don't like that. I don't like those odds. What is copy trade? Sydney, that's where you have multiple accounts. Like I have 5 funded accounts with Tradeify, and I could copy all of them at the same time. So they'll follow one account. So if I take one trade, it goes on all 5 accounts. So some people do it and they make money, but I just don't like the feeling of knowing I'm putting 5 accounts at risk. Once I have 5 Lucid accounts fully funded, maybe then I'll dabble with Lucid, but I'm not going to do it with Tradeify. Because I literally make really good money just the way I do it from Tradeify currently. So, not switching up my method. But yeah, boys, listen, everyone blows accounts. If you see a trader say they never blow accounts, don't believe them. They're capping. Because the more accounts you have, the more you're willing to risk, like on certain trades, because you have multiple accounts. But that's my first funded this year. RIP. Hey, I'm pulled $2,000 out of it, so I'm in profit on that one, $1,800. So not bad, not bad.
I had a short entry for 598.
Okay, I'm waiting to get below my yellow line here, and then I'll be taking the short. Trade 100%. That's the name of the game. You want to spend less than what you take out from prop firms. So on that account, I originally paid, I think that was $150, something like that, or $200 on that account. That was a $150K account. But I was able to pull out $2,000 out of it. So profit $1,800 on it. That's called a good ROI on your investment. I'll say that. Coming down to my yellow line. Let's see if we get more follow through so I can jump in. Come on, Betsy. Give me 1,000. Give me 1,000. I closed it. 740 right there on that trade. Just rotating, boys. Just rotating. 740 on that one. Let's see what other accounts I have not traded.
OT.
Oh, I had to disconnect my... Y'all disconnect real quick. Just my Tradeify. Since I activated, I put a new soldier in. I gotta reconnect to Tradeify so it populates this funded account. There we go. Man, I should have held that one too, huh? Look at that. 549, got it. And we're back. What strategy is that? Alan, good job, bro. Happy for you, man. Keep winning. Dylan, we always printing money, fam. We always printing money. Like right now, we should be at just about 2K.
We're 10 points away from filling the imbalance on the 4 hour.
The imbalance on the 4 hour. Where's the imbalance at?
It was like at 470, 469.
Okay. Well, Brett, I'm glad she knows. I'm glad she knows. And that means she listens a lot, so I appreciate that. Stealth, that's why I like it, bro. You don't have to sit around waiting for the move. The moves always repeat themselves for the most part. And you take your money. Bull stepped in pretty aggressive right there. So I'll be waiting to see if we get another flag here. On the 5 minute possibly. Still aggravated. I'm still aggravated. I blew that one of my accounts today. But it is what it is. It's the nature of the business at the end of the day. What's crazy is I just took a payout yesterday from one account that I brought back to life. I've had the account since the first week of December. And then I blew one of my new accounts I just got last month. Straight crazy. But now I'm gonna have to work on another 150K with Tradeify. So the next time when I do blow an account next month, because I'm doing pretty good not blowing accounts. When I blow an account next month, then I'll activate it, and that will be 150K getting added. What market are you on? It's the NQ, Sydney. It's the NQ. And if you're like on Trading View, it'll be the Nasdaq 100 E Mini. Let's see if my trading journal is updated. It has not updated. Okay. It's saying I only had one trade today. I'm like, yeah, that's absolutely wrong. So we'll wait. We're coming back. The screen is black for a second. So I'm gonna trade this freshly funded account with Tradeify. I'm gonna base hit it and then rotate over to my Lucid accounts. We got some consolidation right here. So I'm just holding and waiting. I'm not taking a trade in consolidation. That's bad business. From consolidation, the move happens, folks. So on my chart, on these top bars, how they're just real tight up and down. That's called consolidation. And with these bars, it makes it easy to see consolidation because it's real tight like that. What's up, Jose? You set that desk up yet or not yet, fam? Oh, you're on the Zoom? Well, you never chimed in, bro.
So no, I have not set up that desk. It's ready to be put in the storage. I'm about to go on a rotation. But once I get it set up, I will send you that picture.
Okay. Nah, had to ask. But yeah, once you know exactly where you want to put it, then you'll be able to set it up for sure. All right, so we consolidate. We're starting to slightly pull it back down. Waiting to see if we get the full flush, maybe on the 5 minute candle. Personally, each bar on the is how much time or price action? It's set for 8-4, Dylan. The wrinkles are set for 8-4. Come on, Betsy. I know what you want to do, but are you going to do it? That's the question. I know what you want to do. Trying to make some more smoney's. Because today was a 2K day, so we'll take that. Want to add a little bit more here. It's actually 2150 right now. Still consolidating some here, so that's why I'm not jumping in. Want to come back down to my yellow line if I'm trying to take a short, to be real. Hamid, I trade 2 contracts and then I'll size up as well, depending upon the market conditions. Between 2 and 4 contracts per trade. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. What's the idea behind your yellow line? Bro, it's a magical line. It's magic. You stopped out for a small profit?
Yeah, I got it in on the first culture that candle. I kind of went break even after we started pushing.
Okay. Hey, profit's profit. Green's green.
I was hoping that we would do a little bit more for like market structure, make a new low, and then maybe range back up to grab this liquidity before making another low. But unfortunately, it had a different plan.
Let's see if we get some follow through my line. I want to clear some of these wicks here. And then if we clear them, then I may... If we go above this yellow line on the top side, I'll be looking for a long. Below, I'm going short. It's the market magnet, 100%. The whole thing for the lines, I put the lines because I don't draw the full flags that I'm looking for, because my eyes know what they're looking for the flag. So I put the lines where I want to see the break of the flag. Coming down to my yellow line. Ooh, Nelly, Nelly. I need some more money. I'm going to Mexico in less than 2 weeks. I need more money. Yeah, we're getting ready to come on down. We get through our second target here. Our second target sitting at what level? 493.75. 493.75. We get through there.
Hey, Duane, question.
Moose, answer.
Why don't you jump in at 523? I'm assuming you did it. That's what I'm asking.
523?
Yeah, like you see how you have your
My line?
the wide bottom? Yeah, go up one candle. Put it up one candle.
No, I see it right here.
Yeah, right there. See how I
That's-
pushed through? It showed like it was gonna drop because of the candle. The wick is very high.
Yeah.
It's not coming to mind. But yeah, so how come you didn't jump in on that?
Because that's not the flag. Like, I'm not trying to jump in during the structure of the flag.
Got
I'm only jumping in for the breakout of the flag.
I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I'm looking at it wrong. Okay, I get it. I mean, obviously, you know, it's strategy. So I just want to know, like, why did he do that? What is it? I don't know. Forget it. Forget it.
So we tap there. I'm going to close this one if we don't get the follow through. Because as soon as we tap, the bull stepped right in there. Let's see if the bears catch it. If they don't catch it, I'm closing.
We're at A plus setup for one of my models. I wanted to make that new lower low, but if it's a B setup, then it's just going to come back up and climb and grab more liquidity before flushing.
I closed that one. I did not like how we came right below my yellow line, then bull stepped in right away. So I closed that one. Henry, yeah, you missed the market melting this morning, bro. Wait for your move and execute. I'm rotating over to the Lucid. Where's Lucid at? There we go. 904. How much are you in profit? I'm up over $2,000 today. So we'll definitely take that. I'm still not opposed. Like, I want to see how this 5-minute plays out right now. Because right now we could either be building structure for a bear flag here, or we're getting ready to start a pump.
Taking a set in order at 5, 6, 8. I'm not too sure yet. Kind of want to react first.
Yeah. I'm still like slightly bearish, but I don't like how the bulls responded as soon as we broke my yellow line for that break. So since they pushed pretty significantly right there, like that's why I'm like leaning where I may want to look for a long. Because we got this buying wick on this 5-minute as well. So I want to see how we react to my top yellow line right here. If we react in a bullish manner, I'll probably look for a long. No, this is the Nasdaq. Tonight we got the traders hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Your boy will probably be slightly tired on tonight's hangout because I'm driving today 6 hours. I'm driving to South Florida. Then I'm coming back because we got the traders hangout. The things I do for y'all, right? The things I do for y'all.
We appreciate you.
I appreciate y'all appreciating.
Yeah, this looks like it might actually be getting ready.
Yeah, that's. I was feeling the same thing, BP. That's why I was hesitant. That's why I closed out that last trade, just to protect capital.
We're about to interact with where I was kind of interested.
Okay. Well, let us know how it reacts with your perspective. Biggie, that's awesome, bro. Congrats. I'm up 2K today as well.
I'd like to see like a good push, and then like immediately just gets like a bunch of sell side just pushed into it, so then it just leaves a fat wick.
Yeah.
That would be a really solid reaction to this area.
Brett, that's round trip, bro. That's round trip. Biggie, I'm glad you're learning, bro. I'm glad you're learning. This is not rocket science, people. I trade different than most people online, I'll tell you that. Because I made it so simple where you don't have to get bogged down with the complexities of all these different strategies, indicators, everything like that. Ooh, are we building a bear flag on the 5 minute? This is where it's like slightly dangerous, right? Biggie, I'm glad it's changing your life, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Since we're changing lives out here, make sure y'all like and subscribe and get your life changed in a good way. And by the way, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a guru. I'm just a guy that started a little bit before y'all. And some after some of y'all. Now I just found a way to look at the markets. I bring a different perspective. Like, that's why I love trading in the Legacy Wealth Society, right? Because we all have different perspectives of the markets. And at the end of the day, I love how we all come together and we bounce ideas off of each other, right? Where we don't have to trade the same strategy. We're looking for different things, but they all work together so we can all win together. How many subs would you need to trade 24? Ew, Brett, that sounds cool, but disgusting all at the same time. 24-hour trading. Listen, my mind goes mush after 11.
Bro, be cooked.
I know the 5 minute time frame is not moving fast, Henry. It's moving slow right now, actually.
Well, 11's around the corner, so we might see some momentum soon.
Yep.
It's true.
Hopefully.
I'll be jumping off today right at 11 as well because I gotta change and I gotta get on the road, folks. I gotta go see Mr. Silky himself in the Legacy Wealth Society towards South Florida. And from there, I gotta go get two custom. Well, one's gonna be a gold custom Legacy Wealth Society credit card. Yes, I'm bougie. And then the other one, I'm debating if I get it where it says, "This is my FU money," and that's printed on the like a black or gold card. So who knows what cards I get today, but it's gonna be fun. Yeah, we're getting ready to come on down. We just printed a bear flag on the 2 minute. I want to see the Bulls lose this battle right here. Take us down to my bottom yellow line. Because we go to that bottom yellow line, it's going to be dirty. It's going to be dirty. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go down to my bottom yellow line there. I need follow through so I could jump in on this. Come on, Betsy. Looking at the 5 minute chart right now. That's the line I'm looking at. I'm looking at the 5 minute yellow line. The 5 minute yellow line. I'm watching my ring codes as well, confirming momentum. Because I don't want to jump in if the momentum slows. I want a clean push. We need a clean push for me to get in here. Bull's still trying to step in, so we don't have the momentum yet that I'm looking for. I'm patient right now. I'm like a trained sniper, watching the target. As if we strike, I execute. If we don't strike, I don't execute. It's that simple. What's the benefit? Well, Henry, on one of my funded accounts, I blew it today. I blew one of my funded accounts today. I took a trade one candle early and I blew it. If that was my own personal money, I would have lost like $3 grand of personal funds. Since it was a prop firm account, I lost I didn't lose anything because I pulled profits out of that prop account. Already I pulled $2 grand out of that account. So I'm in the green. So you don't lose anything. Like you invest a small percentage, $100 on a 50K account. And as long as you get a profit and a payout, you're green. Where if you lose a funded account, a personal funded account, you lose whatever your amount that you put into that account. So if you first invested $5,000 and you blow that account, what did you lose? You lost $5 grand. I'll take the $100 every day of the week. Just say it. All right, so buyers still stepping in here. We're still in this little range that I put on the 5-minute chart. We did tap that 21 EMA, but we're still sitting below it right now. Come on, Mark. Give us something. Give us something, Betsy. If we get above that top yellow line, I'll be looking for a long. I marked the chart so that way I know when I'm supposed to look for something. Believe it or not.
Gonna risk it.
BP's risking. You going long, bro?
No, this is the first short. I doubt it though. It's probably gonna wreck me real quick.
BP's going short. We do have some selling pressure up here, so hopefully the sellers could push this, flip this candle real quick.
Yeah, we're so close to getting wrecked.
We have not touched my top yellow line yet. I'm waiting for that touch. All right, there's the touch of the line. So we tapped it. The bears are trying to reject off that line. Huh? How much you make?
550 on that trade.
Go ahead, G. Go ahead, boy. I honestly want to see us build a bull flag now. But I want to build it above my yellow line. Come on, Betsy.
I think we're flipping bullish.
Yeah, that's why I closed that short that was in earlier. Because I didn't like the move. All right, 660 on that trade right there. We're coming up to our first target that I had on my chart from the 15-minute range. Want to see how we react up on this level. I want to see us build a little bull flag personally, but I think we're going to start running. Come on, give me a bull flag. Give me another bull flag. This is where I originally wanted to see a bull flag get printed at. So I want to see the market come down just slightly. I need a red candle, then the next one be green to take us higher. All right, we're back at our first target, 608.50. All right, we're below it now. Let me drop down to the 1 minute, see what we got going on. Okay. All right, bear stepping in heavy right there. Let's see it within the next 2 minutes if the bulls step in to build this bull flag. Want them to start fighting to hold this price up. But we just cleared that 21 EMA as well. Oh, Nelly. BOS? What's BOS, bro? Thank you, Hamid. I'm not good with acronyms. I tell y'all every stream, I'm not good at acronyms. You gotta spell it out for your boy. I'm a simple man. I be telling you, that's how simple I am. You can't give me acronyms. I need it spelled out, okay? All right, we got 50 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see what we get here. What happened? You would have been in profit?
No, I got it for a long and I got tagged out real quick. Just kept dropping real quick.
Yeah. I need this next candle to be green so I could jump in here.
Guys, I gotta go to Kissimmee. I'll see you guys later.
All right, man. Have a good day.
Hey, you too.
We are coming up on 11 o'clock as well, so keep that in mind. I closed it. I did not like, we need more follow through. So I'd rather wait for more momentum and I'll re-enter. But I made an extra like $300 there. Or just under that. All right, there's that first target again, that 608 level. I did not get filled, so let me close that. That's slightly annoying. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Take me to the promised land. Just rejected. We're coming up on 11 o'clock as well, so I kind of want to close this so I'm not in right at 11. So let's see if I can get out green here. Go ahead and swipe it, Bulls. Let's go. They keep getting stopped right there. We got 2 minutes for 11. I want to get out of this trade. This is an eval, by the way, so that's why I'm going to hold it a little bit longer. This is 150K eval with Lucid that I'm trying to get funded. We got a minute. We got a minute left for 11 o'clock here. We should. I can't even say that right now because we need more momentum here. I'm expecting us to go up, but it's playing right now. It's playing right now. Lots of buying pressure, but these bears keep stepping in. We need to clear these bears out. Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this one. We're doing a light little stair step down. But I'm waiting for these bulls. We gotta get above the 608. But the bears are currently protecting that level. I'm gonna get ready to kill this one. The shakeout, yeah. Well, it's 11:03. I actually gotta get off. I gotta go get ready to get out of here. I gotta go see Mr. Silk himself. So I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout Legacy. It's always been a pleasure, like always. And yeah, tonight 9:30 we'll be live once again. And hopefully all you guys are staying safe in the markets. Make your monies, and I'll check y'all tonight. Be blessed, everyone.
We'll see you soon.
All right, Mitch.
Have a good day, everyone.
See you later.
If anyone, text me whenever you guys take off, whatever.
Yeah, I got you. I'll text you as soon as we're driving.
Okay.
All right, cool.
Good.
Appreciate everyone. YouTube, once again, always a pleasure. I will check y'all tonight. Be blessed, everyone.